Now to do our avatar uploads, we're going to just install active storage. So this is just going to create a migration file for storing your uploads in the database. So we'll run that. And now that that's in, we can go to our user model and we'll go down here and say has one attached avatar. And we can also add a spec for that as well. Then we can go across to our edit form and we're just going to copy our website field here. And then we can say avatar and we change this to file field and save that and go back to edit. Now you'll see we've got avatar as well, and it probably looks better if we just get rid of the styling on the file field. Now we should be able to click upload, so I'm going to choose the file here, go to my desktop and hit upload and save. And that's now uploaded. And now we're just going to need our avatar component to check for the existence of an avatar. So if we go in and load avatar component and we see we have a user here, and what we can maybe do is create a method to say avatar. And so we can then say user.avatar.attached. And then we can say avatar URL, and that can just be user.avatar.url. And if we go into our component here, rather than rendering the initials, we can say if avatar. So if you don't have one, we'll render your initials. If you do have one, we're going to want an image tag. And we're going to want that to go to avatar URL and then have class of object cover to cover the full avatar. We also then want to set width to fill, height to fill, and we probably want an alt tag as well. So we'll say alt and we'll say user.name. So if we come in here, reload, we get an issue with the URL. So I think what we need to do here is say URL4, pass in the avatar and reload. And now that works. So it's working, but it's not rounded. So we need to go back into the avatar component here and we just need to say overflow hidden on that and reload again. So now we have our avatars. So if we go back home, you can see the users that don't have avatars yet, the text still works.